Welcome to our video course on how to use CPAGrip, an affiliate marketing ad network. Step 1. Sign up for an account on CPAGrip.com. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your name and email address. Step 2. Once you've created your account, log in and navigate to the offers page. This page displays all the available offers that you can promote to earn commissions. Step 3. Browse through the offers and select the ones that you want to promote. You can filter the offers by category, payout, and more to make it easier to find the offers that are most relevant to your audience. Step 4. Once you've selected the offers you want to promote, navigate to the links page. Here, you can create unique tracking links for each offer. You'll also see your referral link, which you can use to earn commissions from people who sign up to CPAGrip through your link. Step 5. Now that you have your tracking links, you can start promoting the offers to your audience. You can do this by sharing the links on your website, blog, social media, or through email marketing. Step 6. Keep track of your earnings by navigating to the statistics page. Here, you'll see detailed information about your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Step 7. Once you've earned enough commissions, you can request a payout. You can do this by navigating to the payouts page and selecting the payout method that you prefer. And that's it. You now know how to use CPAGrip to earn commissions by promoting offers to your audience. Happy earning!